Hey guys, embrace the indoors, your fitness sanctuary awaits. We all love a good outdoor workout. Sunshine, fresh air, it's invigorating. But what happens when the weather turns sour? Do we abandon our fitness goals? Absolutely not. Our homes can transform into incredible workout spaces. No fancy equipment needed. We're going back to basics, rediscovering the power of bodyweight exercises. Get ready to sweat, have fun, and achieve those fitness goals all from the comfort of your living room. Let's get started. Ready to unleash your inner fitness superstar? I am. Let's do this. Jumping jacks, a childhood classic turned cardio powerhouse. Remember those carefree days of jumping around as kids? Well, guess what? That playful energy translates into a fantastic cardio workout. Jumping jacks are simple, effective, and require zero equipment. Start by standing tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs wider than shoulder width apart as you raise your arms overhead. Land softly and repeat. Easy, right? Jumping jacks get your heart pumping and improve coordination. Do them for a few minutes as a warm-up or incorporate them into a circuit training routine. Get ready to feel that childhood energy surge back. Burpees, the ultimate full-body blast. This exercise is not just a workout. It's a challenge that pushes your limits and transforms your body. Prepare to meet the burpee, your new best friend, or maybe your friendly rival. It's an exercise that combines strength, endurance, and cardio all in one. This exercise may seem intimidating, but trust me, it's a game changer. It will test your mental and physical stamina, but the rewards are worth it. Burpees target your entire body, scorching calories and building strength. From your legs to your core, and even your arms, every muscle gets a workout. Start standing, then squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart for stability. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. Lower your chest to the floor, then push back up to the plank. This push-up phase is crucial for building upper body strength. Jump your feet back to your hands and explosively stand up, reaching your arms overhead. That's one representative. This explosive movement boosts your heart rate and burns calories. Burpees are tough, but they deliver incredible results. They improve your cardiovascular fitness, build muscle, and help you shed fat. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Consistency is key. You got this. Remember, every representative brings you closer to your fitness goals. High knees, run in place, elevate your heart rate. Ready to unleash your inner sprinter? High knees are a fantastic way to get your heart racing without needing a track. This simple exercise is all about bringing your knees up high as you run in place. Stand tall, core engaged, and start running, driving your knees up towards your chest with each step. Pump your arms for momentum and maintain a steady pace. High knees are amazing for boosting your heart rate, improving coordination, and strengthening your leg muscles. Incorporate them into your warm-up or use them as a high-intensity interval training exercise. Get ready to feel the burn. High knees are not just about speed. They are about precision and form. Make sure to keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward. This will help you engage your core muscles more effectively. You can also vary the intensity by increasing your speed or adding a slight hop with each knee lift. This will make the exercise more challenging and beneficial. If you're new to high knees, start slow and gradually increase your pace as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key to seeing improvements in your cardiovascular health and leg strength. Remember, it's not just about the physical benefits. High knees can also be a great way to relieve stress and boost your mood. So, lace up your shoes and get moving. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or outdoors, high knees are a versatile exercise that can fit into any workout routine. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your heart rate and enjoy the benefits of high knees today. Section 5, Shadowboxing, unleash your inner champion. Who needs a punching bag when you can unleash your inner boxing champion with shadowboxing? This fun and empowering workout combines cardio and coordination. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and fists raised to protect your face. Throw punches in the air, alternating between jabs, crosses, hooks, and uppercuts. Focus on speed, power, and footwork. Shadowboxing is an amazing stress reliever and a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health. Put on some energizing music and unleash your inner fighter. Section 6 Stair running. Turn your staircase into a fitness stairway. Got stairs? Then you've got yourself a ready-made cardio machine. Stair running is a highly effective workout that targets your legs and glutes while elevating your heart rate. It's like having a gym right in your home. This exercise not only strengthens your lower body but also improves your cardiovascular health. The repetitive motion of climbing stairs engages multiple muscle groups, making it a comprehensive workout. Start by jogging up and down the stairs at a comfortable pace. This will help you warm up your muscles and get your blood flowing. As you get warmer, increase your speed and intensity. Push yourself to go a little faster each time. You can even incorporate variations like high knees or side shuffles. These variations add an extra challenge and keep your workout interesting. Stair running is a low-impact exercise that's easy on your joints. Unlike running on hard pavement, the stairs provide a softer surface that reduces the risk of injury. It's a fantastic way to challenge yourself and achieve new levels of fitness. Set goals for yourself, like increasing the number of flights you can run or the speed at which you can complete them. Just be sure to watch your step and have fun. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Your staircase is now your personal fitness stairway to better health. Section 7 Motivation Magic. Conquering the indoor workout blues. Let's face it, staying motivated to work out at home can be tough. But don't worry, I've got your back. First, find a dedicated workout space in your home. It doesn't have to be big, just a spot where you can move freely. Next, set realistic goals and track your progress. Seeing how far you've come is a huge motivator. Remember, consistency is key. Schedule your workouts like any other important appointment and stick to your plan. You've got this. Section 8 The Power of Music. Your workout's best friend. Music can make or break a workout. Put on your favorite tunes and watch your motivation soar. Create a playlist with upbeat, energizing songs that make you want to move. Music can distract you from fatigue and make your workouts more enjoyable. So crank up the volume and let the rhythm move you. Whether you prefer pop, rock, or dance music, find what gets you going and let the music fuel your fitness fire. Section 9 Variety is key. Keep your body guessing. Our bodies are amazing machines, but they can get used to routines. That's why it's crucial to mix up your workouts and keep your body guessing. Don't be afraid to try different exercises, experiment with different combinations, and challenge yourself in new ways. Variety is the spice of life, and it's essential for a well-rounded fitness routine. The more you challenge your body, the stronger and more resilient it becomes. So, embrace variety and keep those workouts exciting. Section 10 Listen to your body. Rest and recover. While it's important to challenge yourself, it's equally important to listen to your body and prioritize rest and recovery. Don't be afraid to take breaks when you need them and allow your body time to repair and rebuild. Rest days are not a sign of weakness, they're an essential part of the fitness journey. Listen to your body, nourish it with nutritious foods, and prioritize sleep. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Section 11 Start small. Dream big. Your indoor fitness journey begins now. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Remember, you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to achieve your fitness goals. Your home can be your sanctuary, a place where you can sweat, have fun, and transform your body and mind. Start small, set realistic goals, and celebrate every victory along the way. You are capable of amazing things. Now, go out there. Or should I say, stay in here, and make it happen. I believe in you. Now let's get moving. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.